we're going to go ahead and install the rear cup holder in the new Bronco from Mabett. Pretty easy. Comes with all the parts you need. Even comes with a small screwdriver you use to pop off one of the trim panels. So go ahead and unbox everything. Comes with very clear instructions. So first thing, on the rear of the center console, we're going to go ahead and pop open this cover that's on each side of the console. It's got a 7mm socket to remove this screw that's underneath the cover. So go ahead and remove that on each side. You'll need to slide the seat forward to get access to that. Takes a little bit of effort to pull that off. Again, 7mm socket. Remove those. And we're going to go ahead and assemble the cup holder itself. So when it comes, this rear bracket is already kind of installed. You just need to pull down, remove that, and you're going to install the side pieces. It comes with the screws that you need. It actually comes with 3 screws. You only need 2. So you're going to go ahead and put the screw in there. Tighten it up. Install the other one. It's really easy to tell how it all goes together. The contours all fit nicely. Again, tighten that screw up. Once you get that done, we're going to go ahead and go. You don't need to install it back together like this here. I was just doing it for illustrative purposes to show how it looks. We'll go back to the interior, and you can see that you just install that bracket that you just assembled back into the same spots where we removed those screws earlier. Pop the little trim covers on that it comes with, and then snap the cup holder in place.